Hi, my name is Skip Pillsbury. I'd like to welcome you to MarineMax Houston, take you on a quick tour of our 2018 Grady-White 325 Freedom. This boat's equipped with twin Yamaha 300 4-strokes. Notice in the big transom area located back here, we've got a live well on the port side, easy access inside out there, large fish box with overboard drains, pop-up ski tow bar on the transom here, freshwater shower, fold-out bench seat which will accommodate 2 people here, real nice and easy, big comfortable seat, one of the best seats in the boat. Also on the starboard side here, we've got our lounge seat here, which this will retract back in to the leaning post here. So you've got room for 2 to 3 people here, which real nice seating option as well. So we move over to the port side over here, you notice the grill, 12-volt refrigerator, good storage there. And we've got 3 trays or drawers here for extra carry-on storage. And then a little more storage underneath the port side leaning post. Freshwater sink located in the wet bar area. You'll also notice this boat does have a sure shade coming off the back side of the hardtop. Our spreader lights, we've got the side curtains, and one of the neat features about this boat, we do also have a full windshield that goes all the way to the hardtop. Nice seating up here in the cockpit area, so we've got room for two adults on the port side as well as the starboard side. We do have air conditioning and a diesel generator on board, so we've got a couple AC vents up here on both sides. Notice on the dash over here we've got a 16-inch Garmin display, autopilot, VHF radio, our CL7 Yamaha display, which is integrated into the chart plotters, which will give you multiple displays, Helmaster joystick, remote control for the spotlight on the hardtop, and then our digital controls here. We do also have some outlets, USBs for phone ports, Bluetooth, and all that good stuff. On the bottom side of the hardtop here also we've got nice life jacket storage, an opening vent on the top of the hardtop, so let you have that air coming through if you want. On the port side over here, we've got our head compartment, very large. Walk down the side, we've got a vacuum flush head, which will go to a holding tank and an overboard discharge. We've got rod storage kind of moving forward under the port side, sink, and then a little extra storage in the closet, and then our stereo controls. As we move forward on the starboard side, we've got a nice berth. So this is air conditioned. We can pop out the cushions, make a nice little seating area in here, very comfortable. The air conditioner on board does have a reverse cycle heat as well, so in the wintertime you can really make it nice and comfortable. As we move forward here, we've got our cooler built in on the starboard side, rod storage, extra storage on the port side, and then our casting platform insert located here, which will convert to a table as well. And then we've got fold down armrest back up forward, so this is one of the best seats in the boat too. So it's a big open boat. The 2018 325 Freedom checks a lot of boxes when you get out on the water. Thank you for taking a tour of our boat here in MarineMax Houston.